everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I just got my latest subscription pack from the Paper Tabby in the mail today, and it's so cute. I wanted to show you what was included. I kind of tore it open, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to put it on video because just the stuff was so cute just from what I saw in the packaging. But I wanted to show you how she packages the subscription box up because it's just so cute too. I really like the Paper Tabby. I've been subscribing to her for about 3 months now, I think 3 or 4 months. And what you do is you sign up through her website. She'll give an announcement on her Instagram account that, you know, signups are open. And then once you sign up, you'll be getting a monthly kit for one price every month. And then you can cancel it anytime you want. But you have to go and kind of wait to see when she announces it on Instagram when signups are happening. So like I said, I've been signed up for the subscription for a couple months now, and I've loved everything I've gotten in my little subscription box. The great thing about these are that you kind of get a little variety of everything. A lot of times when I'm out and about, you know, in thrift stores and antique malls and things like that, there's always certain things that I can never find. I don't know if it's my area of the country or what, but I usually end up also, you know, if I'm looking for something specific for a journal, I'll go to Etsy or go to eBay, or I'm trying to think of where else, sometimes even Amazon, if I don't want it to be, if I don't care if it's not vintage, and just kind of look for that thing that I need for my journal. But this is a great kit because it kind of gives you a little variety of things that you can kind of keep on hand for when you're making journals and are just looking for just a little something unique that maybe you wouldn't be able to find locally. So let me go ahead and show you. Her kits kind of go along with the season. So I know I've gotten in the fall, I had kind of a fall themed kit with Holly Hobby. And then before that, it was kind of summertime. So just cute kind of floral summer things, but they all have like a little bunch of vintage items in it, along with kind of some newer items too. So it's a good mix. But she packages everything so cute. I wanted to show you how it was all packaged too. So this is more of kind of a Christmas theme that she packed up this month. And I'll put a link to her Etsy shop too, because she has a lot of Christmas. She'll sometimes put extra packs in her shop if she has extras, and then she'll put kind of a partner to the subscription pack where it's kind of like an add-on, and you can purchase that in her shop too. So it kind of goes along with the pack. So if you didn't have a chance to subscribe, you can go over and take a look at some of the other offerings she has in the shop. And this isn't sponsored or anything. I've been really enjoying these subscription boxes, and I was thinking for those of you that like to make journals, this might be something to take a look at. So when you get it comes in a box. I took it out of the box, but it's wrapped really cute in this tissue paper. And then there are little sections, which I don't know why I love this so much, but it's so cute the way she takes the time to pack everything up. But she's got kind of the bigger section with the pretty papers, and she puts everything, like a little sticker on everything. And then she's got stationery and other little things. This is cheery details. So this is kind of like little smaller ephemera pieces. And then you get like a little pack of just some smaller things, and then bits and pieces. Again, this is kind of smaller things. These would be great for little cluster embellishments and things like that. So let me go ahead and kind of show you what I got this month. So we'll start big and then go small. So this is just a really cute, I don't know if this is some scrapbook paper or it might be actually a vintage greeting card that she punched out of, but this is really pretty. I love the colors, the pink and green. This is another kind of little postcard, pink Christmas tree. I love it. A bingo sheet. There's a couple of little game sheets. Here's a bridge score sheet. Just some little blank pieces of paper. This looks like some vintage wrapping paper. Some ledger paper, more wrapping paper. This is something I always have a hard time finding, is vintage wrapping paper. So Etsy is a great place to find that kind of stuff. There's a lot of people that have vintage items in their shop that are vintage wrapping paper. Wrapping paper, wallpaper, sheets, like material. That's always, I have a hard time finding that, but I can always find something I need in Etsy. Some more ledger paper. This looks like a piece of stationery, really pretty, and then just a piece of lined paper, and then a really fun, I love, this looks like it's from a cookbook, so just like a fun party page from a cookbook, party ideas, so that's great. Perfect size for journals. Kind of tags and some cute stickers. So here's some cute little Christmas stickers. A little postcard. I like that. Oh, this is great too. Another blank on the back, and then just a fun inventory tag. Oh, this is so cute. This little sticker of an elf and just a vintage envelope. A little while you were out sheet. And then let's see. Oh, looks like some typing paper, but you can kind of see the watermark through it. So that's kind of interesting. I like that. I mean, there's enough in here. You could make a mini journal with this. There's a lot of items. Okay, and here's some more smaller items. Just a cute little Santa. And oh, this is cute. She made a little pocket out of this little bag. She's got all kinds of fun stuff in here. Love the bag. Little playing cards. And I like to, I mean, it's mostly Christmas themed, but I've talked about this in other videos. You don't necessarily have to have it scream Christmas on the front of it and have Santa Clauses and jingle bells and candy canes. It can be just kind of the colors or the feelings of Christmas. And that's what's great too, because a lot of this stuff you could use for other projects throughout the year. But just the color scheme, kind of the pinks and the reds that she includes, and a little bit of blue. I mean, this all, you see this in, you know, vintage Christmas photos and the old aluminum Christmas trees and that kind of thing. So that's what I like about this too. You kind of get just the color scheme too, just is kind of, it fits and you can use it throughout the year. Okay, so that's the smaller ones. And then let's see, there's another, is this the last? Oh, here's the little items here. And I mean, you can use everything in this, right down to the packaging. I mean, she's even got a little kind of card backing here, but you could use that for your journal or something like that. So, and I even saved the paper clips, because look at those, are little copper paper clips. Those are cute. So just some really cute little ephemera pieces for Christmas. That looks like a vintage label, a little slide projector frame, little tag here, just some like cute little tags and things. Let's see. Yeah, just some colorful little bits and pieces you can use just to kind of sprinkle throughout your journals. Collages, if you like to make Christmas collages, or pages for your journal. Collage pages, those are great for that too. It's a cute little envelope, which I kind of want to preserve here. I love glassine envelopes. Okay, here's that. Okay, oh, and this is just some cute little punch outs of some vintage wrapping paper. These are great if you like to make little cluster embellishments. And then a little piece of trim, a couple of little vintage ribbons. Great colors, bright green, pinks, reds, blues, just all perfect for Christmas. So that's everything in the pack this month. And I'll put some links to the Paper Tabby shop, the website, and then the Instagram account too. I think it's just at the Paper Tabby. But you can follow the account, and then you can find out when she's opening up subscriptions again. She said she was going to take like a month off or something. So you can check back and see when you can sign up again. But I just think this is such a fun pack, and I'm going to continue to subscribe. And I can show, if you guys like to see them every month, I can show them every month too. You can kind of see what's available. But I just want to thank those of you that have shopped in my Etsy shop. I've had some Christmas ephemera packs and things, and I have a couple of journals that I've sold for Christmas, and there's still a few things left. But I think I'm probably not going to be making any more. I'm going to be doing a couple of fun videos though. I've got a quick little fun Christmas craft coming up in the next video. And then I also have craft room tools, kind of like my list of top 10 fun tools. So if you get a gift card for Christmas or something to, craft store, you can think about possibly looking into one of these, one of my favorite tools for the year. So that'll be coming up soon too. So thanks again for joining me today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in my next video.